How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video we're going to work to try and finish the front of the garage here. We already finished the side wall over there. We just a small amount left there. It's the green up there right now. Sorry to note that. Right now I'm just going to catch the band for the front here, and I want to walk you through the process of how to catch your band. But before we do that, I want to take you over there and show you what we did in our last video, and then we're going to jump on to what we're going to do today here. So in our previous video, this is the wall that we built. See what we did yesterday. As you see here, we treat our corner there, install our sill, install our keystone. As you see, we have our weeping hold. We're there right now, working to finish this section. Just a tiny piece left up there now. And today we're just gonna work to finish this section here. See, I put some board here because we're gonna come and buck our brick right up to our board here. So this is gonna be our guide. It's nice and plumb, go all the way up. As you see, I have my weeping plastic. I tape it up. You want to cut your Tyvek and push it up underneath, and then you're going to tape it right along there. Further along over here, it's the same thing. Over here, I have my corner post set up. And I have my corner post set up here, and I also run a nail down here because we're not going to do both walls at the same time. So here, you want to measure the same measurement you have from here to the wall. You want to have the same measurement down there where you have your corner post. So once we finish that side, we're just going to come back over here and build this side over here. See, I have my mortar ready to go. I have my bricks ready to go. Okay guys, so I show you what we did and what we're about to do in today's video. With no further ado, let's dive right into it. But before we jump into the video, as always, give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, guys, being as above the wall, you have the garage door down here. But above the garage door, you're going to have a straight wall go right across. So what you want to do, you want to catch your band, go right across. That way, once you clear, once you go above the garage, all your bricks going to go right across in line. I'm going to show you what I mean in a second. The homeowner stock all these bricks here because he wants us to reuse all the cut ones. This is the first time I ever work with a guy who go around and pick up all the pieces of brick and bring them for you to reuse. Okay, so over here, as you see, we have one full one, another full one here. So what you want to do, you want to put one brick here, leave your joint. Just like so, leave the joint right there. I'm just gonna get another brick, and you're just gonna keep remove it. That one over there like that. Leave your joint space. Leave your joint. You can do it like this, or you can also do it like this. And as I go right now, I'm leaving my space for my joint. So right here is where a full brick would be. So it's telling me that I need to cut just a piece from this one in order to, so I need to cut this one here just like that. I'm gonna have a cut piece, so that's gonna be there like that. And then I'm gonna carry on with the full one here, and then right here we're gonna have a header, or you call it tester. It's gonna be like that. It's gonna be just like that. Okay, so now, you know, we have that one there. We have to continue on along over to continue on to get our bund for the next section. So right now we have to start from where the full one is. We don't want to start from where this header is. So we're gonna start from this full one. Come down here. We need to leave our joint. We're just gonna keep on, we're just gonna carry on, go all the way over the same way. You also have tape, right? This little tape where you could use your tape to do this that I'm doing right now. Guys, so now we'll catch our band. So that one is like that, and this one is like that. As you see, the ledge, the concrete ledge is no good, so we're gonna have to make 2 steps. You see that as we go as well. And over here, it's perfect the way it is. Let's return our corner here. And now we're just gonna put this one down. Take this one off. That one off. Start to lay our bricks now. I am going to start with my header. Doesn't matter, you could start with whichever one you want. For the first one, I'm going to go into my concrete, right into it. Afterwards, we're going to do a step. Might do 1 step, you can also do 2 steps if you like. You can also leave here as a weeping hole. I like to fill it up, and afterwards I come back and make and clear it out and make my weeping hole. Especially when you have a big space. This one is fine. You want to make sure it's buff right, touching the hood. Now we're going to continue on over there. Another thing you want to check for, guys, you want to make sure you measure from the top of the garage door, come down, just to check to see what number you have to work in harder to get up here. I've lots of video where I explain. I'm going to show you what I mean in a second as well. Usually when you have more of a bigger, when you don't have enough space at the bottom, you can also put a wedge. So you just cut a piece of brick, just like this. You just put it here temporarily. And it's too big. Keep her here for just a little bit. We're gonna move it back afterwards. We're just gonna carry on over the other side as well. Same way, take this one off. Guys, you probably won't hear me. You probably can't even hear me right now, but very windy day. important to make sure that you check here just to make sure that it's square. You want to sit your level flat on your brick. Then you go along and you bring this one out, because a lot of times guys don't make sure that corner is square. That's why you want to have the same measurement here as the same measurement down at the other end down there. So right now I'm just going to put some marks right on my post. I'm just putting a little bit of mortar on it so that I can rub the whole mark from it away. We're gonna go 0. Green or clean the wall?
Yeah.
0, 1. So guys, we're just doing the same, we're just repeating the same procedure, the same thing that we just did a while ago. So guys, I went back again and I did the same thing that I just showed you. So that way, because you have to do it 2 times, right? You have to do it with the 2 first course in order to get the bring the banner across. I have lots of video up on YouTube there showing you guys. So this is where the step was, like I said earlier. So now we have to just put underneath it, just like that. That's our step. Now we gotta put a header right here now. So now we are right to our line. As you see, we have to bring our brick right on our template here. This is what's gonna be our guide to go all the way up. That's what's gonna guide us to get the straightness up here. Finish it fast, Green.
Eh?
You finish it fast.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think so. I think it's fast enough.
You finish it fast. So this is our second coaster right now. Let's see, we're gonna go right along. So we have here the same procedure like I said before. You always want to have a header hanging over where you tie your brick, and as you see we have our step right here. Reason why we put a step is because of the concrete ledge. We don't have enough, so we continue on. Once we catch our band, once we go above our garage up there, it's going to be a straight brick go all the way across. Very important, guys, to make sure you do your banding out before you go ahead. So now we can go ahead and follow the same thing. So whatever cut you have, you're going to continue to follow the same band. So this one going to go on top, and then on top of this one we're going to put the same cut piece that we have here, and you're just going to keep on repeat the same thing as you go. Happened? I ain't show them there now.
I show them there.
Yeah. Like I said, guys, whatever you have down low is the same thing you gotta put up high. It's your first time laying bricks. You just look what's underneath the one that you're gonna lay now. Like for instance, here you have a header. You wanna cut and put the same piece that's under. So as you see, I put the header here. Now you gotta put a full one over that one, because you have a full one right here. You know what I mean? Yeah. Pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple and straightforward. Now we gotta put a cut piece there. Same as this one that's already there. You can put it and mark it just like that. Cut it just like that. Nice. You just want to keep the fraction away from the line, not too, just like that. Just put a little bit more here to fill this one up. Just gonna repeat the same thing over here again. If you have any questions concerning the way to catch your band, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer that for you. Right over to the line, so nice and clean. Where you cut your brick, I'm going to cut a header for this, which is this one for here. I'm going to top this end here, top the back, that's it. Cutting a brick is pretty simple, guys. Retreat in the corner like me here, you wanna put your level and level all the bricks that come in this direction here at all times. Now that I have this one here, just gonna fill here. Also want to put some brick ties right onto the first, second course and the third course, and you should be fine. I also want to go ahead and make a weeping hole right here. I'm going to cut away here for the weeping hole. Try not to burst the puncture the plastic that was at the back there. After that, you want to go ahead, you want to get your broom. Also want a piece of carpet, you want to rub it off, get all the spot away from it, make sure it's nice and clean. Brick ties, you want to put a brick tie right here, brick tie right here. Put another one over here. It's very important to put the nail in the last hole in the bottom of the brick ties. Make the hole more straight this way. Normally you want to put the brick tie in the studs. The stud is always at the end. The stud is at this end here. For instance, in the middle you'd have to bang it to hear the sound. Okay guys, well there you have it. Hope you get value from this video where I go through the basic of how to band out your brickwork. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.